This slide shows that the next one of the 8 Gradle build files is the project-level build.gradle.kt file. This file is located in the root project directory. The plugins block specifies plugins used at the project level. The alias libs.plugins.android.application applies false in the plugins block. It refers to the Android application plugin, but doesn't apply it at the project level. It's applied at the module level. And then the alias libs.plugins.kotlin.android applies false. It refers to the Kotlin plugin for Android, but also doesn't apply it at the project level, apply at the module level. Applying false means that the plugin is available but won't be applied automatically at this level. It will be applied in module-level build.gradle.kts files. This is about the project-level build.gradle.kt file. We move to the next Gradle build file in Android.